Number 9. Find the area in the inner loop of the polar curve r equals 2 plus 4 sine theta. Here's the graph for that polar curve, and as you can see, that here's the inner loop that starts at the origin and ends at the origin. So what we want to find is the intersections between the polar curve and the origin. So we're going to set 0 equals 2 plus 4 sine theta. Using algebra, we can find out that sine theta needs to equal negative 1/2, where theta is going to be equal to 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. Next, to find the area of that inner loop, we're going to do, using the area formula, half times a to b, which is a is 7 pi over 6, b is 11 pi over 6 of r, which is 2 plus 4 sine theta, squared d theta. Using symmetry, we can eliminate this 1/2 by changing the bounds from 7 pi over 6 to 3 pi over 2, r squared d theta. Evaluating this integral, we can just distribute this squared. We're doing 4 plus 16 sine theta plus 16 sine squared theta d theta. Next, we're going to factor out a 4. So it's going to be 4 times the integral of 7 pi over 6 to 3 pi over 2 of 1 plus 4 sine theta plus 4 sine squared theta d theta. Next, using power reducing, we can substitute this for 2 times 1 minus cosine 2 theta. Okay? Next, we're going to add up like terms, which is going to be same bounds. So that's going to be 3 plus 4 sine theta minus 2 cosine 2 theta. Next, to evaluate integral, we're going to do 4 times 3 theta minus 4 cosine theta minus sine 2 theta from 7 pi over 6 to 3 pi over 2. So what we're going to do here is substitute 3 pi over 2 in. For this, that's going to be 9 pi over 2. It's 4 minus 3. Cosine of 3 pi over 2 is 0. It's minus 0. Sine of 3 pi, since there's a 2 coefficient there, will be also 0. Then minus, for the 7 pi over 6, minus 7 pi over 2. Cosine of 7 pi over 6 is negative 3 root 3 over 2, so it's going to be negative 2 root 3. Then last thing, sine of 7 pi over 3, that's just going to be sine of pi over 3 is going to be equal to root 3 over 2. So add a root 3 over 2. And distribute this 4. Let's add up like terms first, so cancel out these for pi. Then minus 2 root 3 plus root 3 over 2. All multiplied by 4, so the final answer is going to be 4 pi minus 8 root 3 plus 2 root 3 equals 4 pi minus 6 root 3.